Hello everybody, my name is Colin and in this video I'm going to show you around the Bizprofits CPA network. So I will do a little walkthrough. All the information you probably want to know will be addressed. So this is the home screen of Bizprofits when you go into their homepage. They have like a nice banner going on there, top quality traffic, real-time data, high converting offers and a data-driven approach. But what is the real interesting information is down here. So far this year they have like 621 offers online. They paid out 4.7 million US dollars, which is actually not that much, but they have 3,546 publishers, so that will be the affiliates, I guess. And they received almost 28 million clicks. So they have a little promo here where you can join, and once you get approved, which was quite easy for me, you go into the network here. So as you see, it runs on Has offers. You have the main information here, the dashboard, it's all the same. They don't do any customization for these things. Tools, postbacks, API, the mobile app, ad groups, all the standard reports, but I just want to show you the offers real quick, because that's obviously the most interesting part. So what you see here, they have like 200 per page and they have 7 pages. So that would mean they actually don't have 600 offers. That would mean they have around 1400 offers. But I think they have like 600 offers available, and those are variants. So different geos, different languages, perhaps. That would make sense. So if we have a look, you can see it's diet and weight loss, health and beauty. It's mainly in the Nutra section, so it will be health and beauty, sexual health, diet and weight loss. Yeah, so you have some biz up here, crypto, CFD. Yeah, again, health, sexual health, health and beauty, tons, sexual health, health. And you can see like this is like the same offer, but for all kinds of different geos. Anything from like US to Thailand to Kenya to Montenegro to Malta, Latvia. So can you imagine if you get one of these offers to work well, because I think these offers work really well in native, you can basically scale it to all kinds of different geos, which is obviously like huge. That is if you can get it to work. So Rhino correct. Let's just see, skip some pages, see what we see. It's loading. Okay, there we go. So Rhino correct. You can see why they have so many pages, because one variant has like 20 different kind of offers, all kinds of different geos and languages. So this is interesting. This is some cash on delivery right here, which is also quite cool. But this is all health and beauty, as you can see. So there we have some sleep, good nighter, which is like all kinds of different countries as well. Health and beauty and hair. Okay, let's do one more, see if it's all health and beauty as well, or maybe there's some crypto, because the banner on the website said that they had some unique crypto offers as well, which could be interesting. So energy saver, which is like e-commerce, health and beauty, hair, diet and weight loss. Here, crypto, 2 offers again. So this Forex, this is also Forex, white hat. As you can see, it's like 251 countries, almost worldwide. Yeah, so you get a good idea how this platform works, what kind of offers they have. Let's just go back to the first page and check out what the offers actually look like, so you can get an idea of how to set it up. So basically, here's the affiliate manager contact information. Just contact him or her, ask her or him about what they can offer you, what would be suited, ask about EPCs, everything you want to know. Did it load the first page? I don't think this is the first page. I think we're still on the 3rd page. Load me the first place, please. So yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's check out this offer. I don't know what it is, but okay. So here you see this offer is for restricted affiliates only, so you have to apply. Diet offer for Czech Republic, Nutra, cost per lead offer, no incentive, no pop, no co-rec, no adult. Well, that's like common rules. So let's preview the language landing page, see what it looks like. So it's indeed going to a Czech website. It's in Czech. So it's like a news article, which is the bridge. All right, so this is like the girl from Jersey Shore, Charlotte something, which they use as an example. Yeah, so this is kind of a fake news article. I don't know if it's really fake or is really published, but like as affiliates, we know that the fake news bridge works really well. This would be a perfect Facebook bridge. You might want to edit it a little bit, a perfect native bridge. Yeah, it looks really nice, especially it's translated already. You could test this, maybe edit it yourself, hire somebody to do that. But yeah, this is cool. So this is a good bridge. You just have to request approval, and once we press that, you have to fill in what kind of traffic you're going to send to this offer. Please provide an example of the URL. Have you been promoting this offer elsewhere? How many conversions a day are you going to promote? Because obviously these kind of offers work on a cap. So they will give you an assigned cap once you talk to the affiliate manager. And that's why it's easier not just to go request approval, just talk with him or her, see what they can do. They can approve you from the back end. It's just easier. So let's have a look. Let's see if we can find something about FAQ payment terms, because obviously that's like very interesting if you're going to work with a new network. Blah, 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 publishers. Okay. So let's see, payout policy. Okay, 2-day hold, distribute payments, PayPal, EPs, I don't know what that is, Paxum, WebMoney, and wire transfers. 2-day hold, which is fine. Twice a month, guaranteed. So it's bi-weekly, which is fine. If you need the cash flow, you might message them, ask if they can do weekly for you. If you got some volume, they might consider it. Yeah, so this is just a little bit of information, cross-sells. Yeah, so the second step order cross-sells also commissionable, long-term cookie tracking. All right, that's pretty cool. So they offer like a long-term cookie, depending on the offer, obviously. So returning customers, you can also get credit for that. So you should ask your affiliate manager how that works, because I have not seen it, but it looks really, really good. That is something that is interesting. Like I like to work with non-CPA networks and direct offer providers, because they usually have like either a lifetime cookie or like a 90-day cookie. So especially with like Nutra, where there's rebills, if you get like a monthly package and you have a 90-day cookie, you might be able to get like 3 payments from one offer. And especially like US tier 1 countries, the traffic is expensive. So basically on the action of the first offer, you might be able to like make some money, but like the rebills are like obviously insane. If that's possible, but mainly like through a network, it's hardly ever possible, mainly only if you go direct, and even then it will be, you have to show some numbers first. All right, which countries, which is also very interesting. So some of our offers are restricted to certain countries and locations, health and beauty, worldwide, so that's cool. Some restrictions may apply, obviously. What type of offers? CPA, trial, skincare, BizUp, binary, as you saw, a little bit of crypto, but mainly health and beauty. Like health and beauty, sexual health, that's what we saw most when we were inside the platform. Are there any registration fees? No, obviously it's free to join. And that's basically about them. Like you can have some more information here, watch their blog. Basically it's like the information, what you're looking for, like background information, news, updates, but most of these networks offer this kind of information. So what is interesting, to recap, bi-weekly payments, several payment methods, 2-day hold, which is important, pretty easy to get accepted, tons of Nutra, tons of health and beauty, sexual health offers, all kinds of different geos, and the possibility, so we checked out one lender and it was really nice, the landing page, so you could just use that, try it, maybe make some edits, make your own variant, because that might obviously work a little bit better sometimes. And the good part is that if you make one offer work in a certain geo, they have usually 10 to 15 other geos for the same offer. So it's highly scalable, which is obviously what we're looking for if we're running anything. So that was everything about the Bizprofits affiliate CPA network. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more affiliate content. And then I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.